Hey y'all! Today we are making this very excitingly delicious side dish, zucchini and rice gratin. So versatile. It'll go with chicken, fish, it'll go with lots of different cuisines, Italian, French, American. This is a perfect dish for this time of year when summer is kind of fading into fall. This has elements of both. It's got the zucchini, which is a summer squash. It's got the comforting, sort of creamy, cheesy elements of a good fall side dish. As always, you can find the full written recipe at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It's pretty quick and easy to throw together, so let's get started. All right, we're gonna get 1/4 cup of olive oil heating up over medium heat. Now we're going to grate a shallot and 2 cloves of garlic into our pan. All right, I think that's enough. Let's go ahead and get it in the pan. Okay, we're gonna give that a little stir. Let it start kind of browning a little bit. You don't wanna burn it, but let it brown just a little bit. I turned the heat down to low, actually. We'll turn it back up in just a second. I'm gonna add the rice into the pan now and stir that around so that it gets nice and coated in that oil, and it'll toast the rice just a little bit before we cook it later. Now that our rice is nice and toasted, we are going to add it to a mixing bowl so we can combine it with the other ingredients. So let's add the rice. We'll go ahead and add in the zucchini. Next, we'll be adding in our Gruyere cheese and half of the Parmesan cheese. Okay, we'll add the thyme. Gonna add in our salt and our pepper. We'll give this a quick stir. Now we'll add our milk. And lastly, we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of water. Now we will butter our baking dish. All right, time to pour this mixture into our baking dish. Okay, we're going to get this kind of nestled down. We want to make sure that all the rice and everything is kind of evenly dispersed throughout the dish. We need to cover our dish with foil before we stick it in the oven. We need to make sure that it's really well sealed so that the steam stays in it and cooks the rice and doesn't just leave and the rice stays crunchy forever. That is so annoying when that happens. All right, we're gonna let that bake in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. All right, we're gonna remove the foil. Be careful not to burn yourself because there is gonna be a lot of steam coming out. Okay, as you can see, the rice is mostly cooked, but it does need a little bit more time. This is going to be the perfect time to put the rest of the Parmesan cheese over the top, and then we'll get it back in the oven for probably about another 20 minutes, but we'll just check and make sure that the rice feels completely done. Okay, you can see here it's got just the perfect amount of golden brown on the top. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. Let's see how it tastes. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's see how it turned out. It's so good. I just love zucchini. It adds such a nice fresh flavor to whatever you put it in. It's got a little tiny hint of sweetness without adding in any bitterness like a lot of vegetables do. It's just great. It goes perfectly with the Gruyere, just a warm, comforting dish. This is an excellent way to elevate a typical just rice side dish. Go try it. You're gonna love it.